Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about how to get more views on your YouTube channel or how to get more views on your videos. Okay, so it's basically tips that you need to implement whenever you post your video. In that way, you are going to get more views. My name is OGOM'S, your one and only YouTube masterclass first class holder. I'm here to always give you your YouTube tips, how to grow your channel, how to grow more views, or how to get more views on your channel. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button, click on the join button to join my membership, and let's get right into the video. Like I said, I give YouTube tips, okay, on how to grow your channel, on how to get more views, on how to get monetized on YouTube. This is the right channel for you. Now you will be asking, this is the most important question that so many YouTubers are asking: how to get more views on your videos. Okay, we don't know it all. Even the people that are having the views, if you ask them, okay, what have you implemented in this particular video that is pushing it out or to make it go viral, they will tell you, I don't know, it's God and the rest of them. I know God comes into place, but there is luck also. But there are things that you need to do as yourself, by yourself, in order to push out your video, or in order for YouTube to push out your video, or in order for you to get that YouTube recommendation, that viral video. You are the one that to do it yourself. So it's all about 50-50. The things that you need to do yourself in order to get more views, and then the things that you need to leave the algorithm to do its work in order for you to get that views on your video. Now, the first and most important thing is for you to make sure that you go to turn on the monetization button. Turning on the monetization button means that that video is monetized. Some people don't even know that they need to turn on the monetization button. I saw it on my comments in one of the videos that I did, for which I'll be attaching here. Some people don't know what to do after posting their video. They will just post their video and move. Now you need to go turn on the monetization button. Now, how do you do that? After you must have turned on the monetization button on that particular video, it gives YouTube the signal, or it alerts YouTube that this particular video is monetized. Okay, if you're trying to get the views, you are also trying to get paid, because now video where get views go give you money. So after posting your video, make sure you go to turn on the monetization button. Is it after? Even before you turn on your video public, you need to go put on the monetization button on. In that way, YouTube will pay you for that particular video, because you can, even the small 100 views that you have on your video could pay you more than a video that has 1,000 views. It all depends on the RPN. I'm not here to talk about RPN. I'm here to talk about things that you need to put in place for you to see that your video is moving. The second thing that you need to do after or before posting your video is to make sure that ads are running on that particular video. Some people also say that they don't know that they need to on ads on that particular video. So if you hear people saying, watch my ads, what do you think that they mean? Ads are whereby ads are placed on your video, okay, whereby brands send to YouTube or tell YouTube to play their videos for them to advertise their brand. In that way, they pay YouTube, and YouTube pays us when people watch that particular ads. That is what it means. So you need to on the mid-roll ads in a particular video. Now, how do you do that? After you must have on the ads on that particular video and people are watching that particular video, you are getting paid in spite of you even having the views. So you need to get paid and also have the views, because it's when you have the views that you will get paid. So you need to make sure that ads are running on your video. Ads are running on your video. Make sure you are using your hand to put your ads. Don't allow YouTube to put ads for you, because they might only put ads in the beginning of your video only, and in the end of your video, when that video is an 8-minute video for which should have like 3 to 4 ads in it. So don't allow you to place ads for you. Make sure you are placing the ads yourself. So make sure you on the mid-roll ads on your video. Before, not even after, before you turn your video public, so that when people are watching your video, they are also watching the ads. Yes, it's very, very important.
Loved by you. you stay and I will grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong.
Another thing that you need to do to get more views on your videos is, after posting your video, go back to your YouTube studio, check how that video is doing. For me, sometimes I don't really check how my video is doing. I might just give it time, because some videos tend to pick up after a day or after months or even after a year. But you need to go to your YouTube studio for you to check how that video is doing. Sometimes you will go to your YouTube studio and you will be seeing this particular picture that I will be posting here. You'll be seeing 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 10/10. That video, that means pata pata, 10/10, that video is not doing well. But if you see 1/10, that means you are the baba. You have implemented everything on that video. The video is popping, the quality is top notch, the thumbnail is popping, the title is attracting. That is when that video is giving you 1/10. And also, if the video that people are staying longer in that particular video, it will give you 1/10. But not to worry, a video that is 10/10 today might be 2/10 tomorrow. So give your video time. I'm just telling you the things that you need to check after posting your video. Sometimes give your video a day for you to really know how that video has performed. But for me, I go to check my video maybe in the evening, towards the evening. If I have posted that video today, I will check. If I want to go to bed, I will check that video to know how it has been performing. So you need to check your video if it's 1/10, 2/10, 3/10. These are the things you need to do to know if that video is going to accumulate money for you, to know if that video will give you views. So that is another thing that you need to do after posting your video. In that way, you will get more views on that particular video. Okay? Now, another thing that you need to check, or the tips for which you need to implement after posting your video for that video to give you more views, is for you to check the impression click-through rates. Now, what is impression? The Anambra laptop. Okay, impression click-through rate, for which I'll be leaving here, is a percentage of how people clicked on that video after seeing the thumbnail. There are some thumbnails that are not attracting, that the video might be top notch, or you are saying a very important thing in that video, but your thumbnail is not selling you out. So I don't really know how the thumbnail plays, or how the thumbnail is, how the impression click-through rates plays out for our videos, but I always check my own impression click-through rate whenever I see this. Now, that's full stop, that impression click-through rate, okay? If fewer viewers are clicking on that particular video, is going to show you this, okay? For which might tell you fewer viewers are clicking on this particular, are not clicking to watch this particular video. It's either you change the thumbnail or change the title. But some viewers or some views or from videos have fewer click-through rates, okay? I tend to check this always, okay? It might alert me to check the thumbnail, or to change the thumbnail, or to change the title. In that way, I might tend to play with the title, or I might change the thumbnail, okay? Sometimes if I post my video and I see this particular thing, I will go back to my Canva app, create another thumbnail, and post it to see if it's going to pick up. But remember, like I told you guys, some videos don't pick up immediately after posting it. Some videos tend to pick up maybe after months, okay? Now, always make sure that you check this particular thing, this impression click-through rate, okay? Whenever you see this, that means you need to change the topic, or you need to change the title, or you need to change the thumbnail. So that is another tip for which you can do in order to get views on that particular video, okay? Thing for which you need to do after posting your video for that video to give you more views is for you to check the SEO score on your vidIQ app or your TubeBuddy app. Some people don't even know what is vidIQ or TubeBuddy. Now, vidIQ app is an app that guides you on what you should do on your video to get more views, or what you should do on your video for that video to go viral. Now, I tend to go to my vidIQ app, check the SEO score, okay? If it's something that is recommending to me to change the thumbnail or change the title, or if I haven't put in hashtag, this vidIQ app will alert you. Then if you're not using keywords on this particular video, vidIQ will definitely allow you. So if your SEO score is low, that means you need to do more work in order for that video to get more views. Either you're changing the title, the thumbnail, or you're putting in keywords on this particular video. In that way, you will get more views on this particular video. So make sure you are using or you are making use of your vidIQ app and your TubeBuddy app. I'll be leaving these two apps on the screen for you to know how the app looks like. Okay? Another thing for which can attract more views on your channel after posting your video is make sure you are sharing the particular link of that video. Okay? If you have done your video, make sure you share your link on your WhatsApp status. In that way, people get to click on the link, watch the video, and support you. Remember, it's not everybody that will see your link and click on it. So don't come and start being angry with anybody if they don't click your link. Oh, you can't force people to watch your video. You can't force people to support you. People should support you genuinely. Just pray that God should bring organic viewers to you, organic subscribers to you that will watch your video whenever you post it. So make sure you're sharing the link on the right app. I will also make a video on the right app for which you can share your link in order for you to get more views on it. So make sure you are sharing your link whenever you post your video, even if it's on your Facebook page, wherever you need to share it, just share it so that you will get more views on that particular video. Another thing for which you can do in order to attract more views on your channel or more views on your video is for you to make sure that you come back after a day or after some hours for you to share this particular video on your community. Make sure you are sharing your videos on your community. Please, it's very, very important. Click on the share button. I'll be leaving a video on how you can do that, maybe here or after saying. Make sure you are sharing your link on your community page so that people that missed out on the notification, once they see it on your community tab, they will get to click on it, catch up on that particular video, give you your views, and you will get paid. So the last thing for which you need to do is for you to go and pray, because you need prayer on this YouTube street. Oh, you need prayer. Prayer is needed. That time that Pastor Jerry will say, ask God for 3 things that you want. Tell God, please, I commit my YouTube channel in your hands. Please move it. Whenever I post my video, please let people watch. That is it. You pray to God to guide you through, give you value-added topics to create on your channel. And even when you create that particular content, people will watch it. So pray for your channel. Pray for your YouTube channel. Some people will say, is it my YouTube channel that I will come and be putting in prayer? I have other important things to put in prayer. YouTube channel is very important though. If it's from this place that you eat from, please, you need to put it in prayer. Little things, we need to put it in prayer. As you are stepping out, you put God in prayer. Everything you are doing, put God first. Pray for your channel. Pray for your channel. Okay? Now, if there are other things that you feel that people should implement in their video after posting it, please drop it in the comment section. Let's learn. Me, I even want to learn because we are all struggling with the views. Please drop it in the comment section. I'm ready to learn. And it just reminded me another thing now before I close. Now, please, after posting your video, go and watch other people's video so that if they watch your own, you will also watch their own. Some people will tell me, I'm not doing watch me, I watch you. Please, not be ghost to go watch your video, now human being. So if you need to support this particular person, support. And like I said, it's not everybody that you support that will support you back, but bear that in mind. People have different mindsets here. Me, I have my own mindset. I know that I need to support people. Even if you are not supporting me in return, I will watch your video and move. So if you need to go and support others for them to watch your video, please support others. Don't post your video for ghosts to watch and you will go. After again, you will come and post again. We ghosts will watch for you. So please support others. Support, support, support. Please support others. Because it's when you are supporting others, those others will come and support your own video when you post it. So these are my own tips in order for you to get more views on your videos. So if you have other YouTube tips that people need to implement in their video, please drop in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, Biko, click on the subscribe button. I'm begging, click on the subscribe button. Any more YouTube video that you want me to create, please let me know in the comment section. I'll create it jejely. We are all here to learn, okay? And if you haven't joined my membership, please click on the join button and join my membership, and I will definitely see you on my next one. How does my English sound? Bye.